Welcome back, your SP sir. Today, for class 8th maths, there is chapter rational and irrational numbers for practice set 1.3 and 1.4. Friends, here points to remember. Rational number, rational numbers, natural number, it is denoted by n. Whole numbers, integer, all of these numbers. These are rational numbers, but here numerator, denominator, ratios, all of these examples also in rational numbers. Divided in two parts here, on left terminating. This number it convert after dividing 2.5. Second minus here minus sign. 7 by 5 is equal to 1.4. 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. All of these numbers terminate after dividing. Remainder is 0. Means this process end, terminate. That is called terminating decimal fractions here. Terminating. And second part our non-terminating. Non-terminating means 3, 3, 3 goes on 3, not ends. 7 by 3 is equal to 2.3333 is equal to written in this way 2.3 dot, denote here dot or bar. 7 by 6 second example is equal to 1.1666. This number, sixth number is repeat. That's why 1.16 point here on head. 23 upon 99 is equal to 0.2323. That's why here 23 bar of 23. We denote in this way. In such a case, process of division not ends, not terminate. That is called non-terminating decimal fraction. These are. Every rational number can be written in non-terminating, recurring decimal form. This form. Every rational number can be written in a non-terminating recurring decimal form. Devise this point. Yes. Real numbers, rational and irrational. Union of both. Root 1 is 1. Root 4 is 2. Root 1 is 1. Root 4, 2. Root 9, 3. Cube root 8, 2. Etc. These are rational number. And here on right hand, irrational number, q dash. Root 2, non comes out. This number not comes out in this side. Root 3, root 5, root 7, all of these numbers. Irrational numbers. Friends, you should revise these points carefully. Our first point here, this. Let's understand how to convert given rational number in decimal form. For example here, minus 11 by 13 means 11 in numerator and 13 in denominator. Numerator, denominator. But here minus sign. First to find positive number, 11 by 13. Okay. Now, process start. 11 here dividend, divisor is 13, But 11 cannot divide by 13. That's why point and 0 0 here. Okay, 0 0. And then 110 here present. 13 adds 104. 13 adds 104. That's why here yet. You know, 110 minus 104 and remains 6 only. Okay. And then 0 put down means it becomes 60 here. Then 13 4s are 52 and subtraction is 8. Same process, 0 comes down over 8. 80 means 80. Then 13 stable 80. Below number 78. That's why 6 here. 6. Okay. 80 minus 78 remains 2. Then same process. 0 here 20. Below number 13 means 1. Okay. 1 here 1. 13 ones are 13 means remainder is 7. Put 0 70. Then 70 below number is 65. 13 5s are 65. That's why 5 here. Here 5 overhead. Okay. Now 70 minus 65 is remainder is 5 and 0 put there 50. Then subtraction of 13 3s are 39. That's why 3 here. Subtraction is 11. This is the remainder, but 11 is repeat dividend. Look carefully. 11 is means here process of division, not ends, not terminate. That's why it is called not terminating decimal form. Not terminating means here our answer is here. 846,153. 11 by 13 is equal to 0.846153 and repeat them in this way, not ends, is equal to 0. We can write in this way, bar. And friends, given number in minus sign, so we get minus put there, minus 0.846153. Okay, bar. That is the decimal representation of rational numbers. Means every rational number can be written in a non-terminating. Practice set 1.4. Okay. First example, the number root 2 is shown on a number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. Fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. Friends, so, here irrational numbers. This figure, draw first line, number line. There 0, you need place 1, then 2, then 3, in this way. But shown here root 2 already. This is irrational number. Then we have to show here root 3. Okay. Now here we are going to show here first point activity, fill this. Okay, boxes filling. The point Q on the number line shows the number root 2. See, root 2 here, Q point. A line to the perpendicular to the line, number line is drawn through the point Q. this point Q, perpendicular this and to this line. Okay. And point R is at distance, unit distance from Q. And this point R here present on this line, perpendicular line. Now it becomes here join OR, then right angle triangle here, ORQ. This is a right angle triangle. Length OQ, you know, length OQ is a root 2. And this RQ is a 1 unit 1. Means here by Pythagoras theorem, length OR is equal to length OR square plus length QR square. You know, this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, hypotenuse square. By Pythagoras means, using Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. That's why this OQ, you know, OQ is a length of OQ, root 2 here put, and then OR is 1 square. Root 2 square means 2, 1 square is 1, sum of both 3, and then you know length OR square is 3, taking square root on both sides. Means answer is root 3 here. OR is radius here. Okay, means draw an arc with center O and radius OR. Mark the point of intersection of the line and arc as C. This point known as C here. C shows the number root 3. That's why our showing complete. You can take another example. Show the number root 5 on the number line after 2. Here after 2, 1, 2, after 2 this number shows. And also shows the number root 7 on the number line. You can do it, same process for you. Okay, see you again on next video. I hope you can do this. Thank you, friends.